Every product Silent Aire makes starts with a plan, but it's our skilled trades that bring it to life. This is where precision meets purpose. At Silent Aire, nothing comes together by chance. It's built by dedicated manufacturing professionals working together with each trade playing a critical role. The manufacturing journey all begins with the materials team. The ordering, receiving, staging, and ensuring everything is ready exactly when it's needed. From there, we go to metal fabrication and CNC machining. They turn raw metal into precisely cut, clearly identified components. The blueprint made physical. Our welders build the structural backbone, forming frames and assemblies with not only strength, but precision. Our plumbers follow routing systems that deliver performance, flow, and long-time reliability. From there, our electricians step in, wiring intelligence, control, and connection into every panel and every unit. Our manufacturing technicians, whether it be our assemblers or our sealers, bring all the pieces together, integrating components and steel into complete, fully functioning systems. Our painters apply durable, high-quality finishes built to last in demanding and all-weather environments. Throughout the entire process, our safety team is always present, ensuring every employee goes home the same way they came in. Our quality team makes sure every product is manufactured to our customer specifications each and every time. We then finish our end-to-end commitment to our customer by commissioning the equipment at our customer site using our mission-critical services team made up of electricians, plumbers, and HVAC technicians. Different trades, one process, one team. We are Silent Aire. We are built with purpose. We are built together.